A shareholder's agreement is an agreement between persons who are shareholders of a company. It usually deals with matters such as the governance of the company and other issues that might arise between them. Any person who is a shareholder of a company that has more than one shareholder should consider having such an agreement. The typical provisions that are usually considered in a shareholder agreement are things like the governance of the company, who the officers and directors would be, the financing of the company, will there be a cash call, who's going to sign guarantees, the expectation of the various shareholders if they're all going to be working for the company, division of profits, first right of refusal, for example, if one shareholder wants to leave the company, come-along provisions, what happens if one shareholder wants to sell the whole company, how can he persuade the other shareholders to go along with him, what happens if a shareholder dies, what happens if a shareholder retires, what happens if a shareholder is fired or resigns as an employee, what happens if the shareholders just cannot get along and there has to be some resolution to the stalemate that might occur. These are all things that should be considered in a shareholders agreement.